and welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Ruby and today we've got something a little special in our used car stock. We do have a 2014 VF Holden Calais V in the beautiful metallic black paintwork. Starting off at the front, you do have that very iconic VF Holden front with your chrome split grille, Holden badge right in the middle, and then your big sharp headlights as well with the projector globes that'll give you plenty of visibility when you're driving in all different conditions and give you a really clear, nice cut-off point as well. And being the Calais, you do get the chrome surround with the black inserts as well, so it just looks that little bit nicer as well. You do get 6 colour matched front parking sensors as well, just all along that front bar, so that's going to make all the difference when you are forward parking or just trying to get nice and close to anything that is in front of you. And you also get the nice daytime running light down the bottom there as well, and that's just going to make you a ton more visible to everyone else that is on the road, and just gives it that little bit more class to it as well. Fog lights just next to that as well, and you've also got the nice chrome garnish too. Working our way around to the driver's side first alloy wheel. Now being the Calais V, not just your standard Calais, you do get the bigger alloy, and that one does have a really nice design on it as well. Small marks here and there, but again, nothing to worry about, and heaps of tread on those front tyres as well. Working our way down, you do get the non-functional side vent with your indicator built in. So again, just something that houses that indicator and makes it look a bit nicer for you. Chrome garnish running through the bottom of the doors as well. Colour matched side mirrors, and that just gives you that all-round sleek look. Again, with your chrome door handles, which do have the keyless entry option as well. Opening up and having a look inside. Being the Calais V, you do get the full leather interior with the cream suede insert, full electric seat controls with your lumbar support as well, so fully adjustable, and then you've got your forwards and backwards. Scuff plates are in really good condition, and alongside the door where we do get lazy and kick the door open as well. Closing that back up and working our way down over to our second alloy wheel. Again, really good condition, a few more marks on this one, but again, it is a 2014, so nothing unexpected, and heaps of tread on there as well. One thing just to take note of is your fuel filler cap is on your driver's side, so just push it in to release and then to lock it back in. Now that will not open if the car is locked. Coming around to the back, we do have the beautiful Holden badge in the middle with your Calais V badging as well. Opening up the back there, we do have plenty of boot room. These Holdens are very well known for their boot space. You do have a cargo net as well that just attaches to the hooks on the side, so if you did have anything small that you wanted to keep, you will have it in there and it won't be rattling around. Now you do also get the rear sensors as well, and the reverse camera that is just nestled above your license plate there. Closing that one back up and working our way around the passenger side. Really nice paintwork on this side, which you can really see in this light. And stopping down at our third alloy wheel, really good condition on this one. In fact, if I'm being super picky, I can't even find a mark on it. Again, plenty of tread on that one. Working our way down, again, that black paintwork looks phenomenal. You'd really be able to see any marks on that paintwork in this light. And trying very hard, guys, I can't really spot anything. Our fourth alloy wheel, again, really good condition and plenty of tread on that tyre. So what we're going to do now is pop open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Alright guys, looking under the bonnet now, you've got a 6-cylinder, 3.6 litre petrol engine with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. On the safety side of things, you've got a 5-star ANCAP safety rating with 6 airbags throughout. And then with this engine, you'll produce about 210 kilowatts of power and 350 newton meters of torque. On the fuel side of things, this does have a 71 litre capacity tank, and running on just 91, you'll see an average of 9 litres per 100 kilometres, giving you an average distance of 789 kilometres out of a tank of fuel. But obviously that does depend on how you drive the car, any weight in the car, all those sorts of things. Alright guys, inside the Calais V now, and starting on our driver's side door, you do have a fair few different materials on your door, so it does give you a really luxurious feel. So you've got the leather, the perforated leather, and the suede, as well as the vinyl as well. You do have all 4 of your power window controls, and they are all automatic up and down as well. And then above that you have all of your mirror controls, so left and right, and then your control. And just underneath you do have your window lock as well. Just above that, on the door underneath the handle, you do have 3 preset seat options. So if you've got 3 different drivers, they can all have an option and adjust the seat accordingly when they get in. Just next to your door handle, you do also have your central locking for all 4 doors. Just behind the steering wheel here, we do have our automatic headlight controls. So just leaving it on auto will let the car do all the work for you. And then next to that we have our brightness control for our cluster, and then we also have a heads-up display. So you've got the brightness control on one side, your what page options that you'd want to see as well, and then you have your display settings, so you can set how high up or how low down you want it to be. On the right hand stalk we have our indicators, menu controls for our center cluster, so you can see like your vehicle information, e-cover information, average litres per 100 kilometres, that sort of stuff. Or you can just have a digital speedometer as well. And then you've also got a select button on the end, and your fog lights and your high beams as well on this control. On the left hand stalk you have all of your washer and wiper controls just for the front. On the steering wheel, being the Calais V, you do get the leather wrap steering wheel, so really nice and comfy to hold, very grippy. On the right hand side you have all of your entertainment controls, so volume, seeking, source, and your Bluetooth answer and reject, along with your mute and your voice control. And then on the right hand side you have all of your cruise control settings, so set, cancel, and then you have your lane departure warning on and off, and your front collision mitigation settings as well. Moving into the center display, we do have the really nice blue back display with your AM FM radio, digital radio, Bluetooth, CD, AUX and USB inputs. And then if we just give that a chance to load, you also have your satellite navigation. So there we are on Kangan Drive. Now it is a touchscreen, and you do also get all the hard buttons as well. Heated front seats for the passenger and the driver too, so just nice and neat underneath the vent. And then just underneath you do have your hazard lights in case you do need them. CD input just underneath that, and then all of your climate control just on the handy little dials. So you can have 2 different temperatures, or you can set it to sync as well. And then your fan speed is in the middle there too. Plenty of storage underneath, and then you've also got a 12-volt socket, so probably somewhere you would put your phone while it is charging. And then you've got your automatic shifter, so bringing it down into drive, you can just drive like normal, or bumping it across into the sports shift, you can shift through your gears manually as well. Now if I just pop it into reverse, you'll see the beautiful quality reverse camera that we get in these Calais. So plenty of visibility as well. And then you can also just have the park assist mode, where it just brings up a map of your car and your radars for your sensors. Now just underneath the gear stick we do have a bit of storage, so probably where you put your keys when you are driving, as it is keyless start. Traction control on and off, and then we have your parking assist and your parking sensors on and off as well. Other side we have our electric handbrake, so up for on, down for off, just like normal. And we've got 2 nicely sized cup holders, and then inside our center console we do have another 12-volt socket, a USB and AUX input, and your little port for if your key dies. So you can just stick the key in there and you can still turn the car on. Now we'll just pan up to the roof as well. I'll just show you one last thing. So in these Calais Vs you also get the fully automatic sunroof as well, being that it is the top of the line. So perfect for a day like today where it is nice and sunny. I'll just get my camera person to pan around the back seat a bit. I'll show you the condition back there, and then we'll jump outside and wrap up the video. Alright guys, that wraps up our walk around video on this stunning 2014 Holden Calais V. Hope that's giving you some insight as to why this is the perfect car for you. If it is, the number to call is 9907 0555, and we'll help you out in booking a test drive or even securing the car over the phone, subject to obviously your inspection and drive. A couple things before I go. Please ask us about our glass coat protection for the exterior paintwork on the vehicle. Being a black car, you do want to keep that nice and safe, and you want to keep that beautiful black paintwork pristine. So please ask us about that. and about the tint options as well, so we can package it in for you in a really nice package. And please also ask us about the premium mechanical protection plan. So what that'll give you is another 5 years, up to 200,000 kilometres of additional cover on 181 parts in the car, and 10 years of platinum roadside assist as well. So please ask us about that one, really good value as well. Couple more things. Please also ask to speak to our finance team. Mario and Julie will be happy to tailor a package to suit your needs and your budget as well. Again, keeping all of those extra protective options in there for you. And please go check out our Google reviews, sitting on 4.8 stars with over 1,100 reviews currently. So you can be assured you're dealing with the right kind of people, a reputable dealership, and buying an excellent quality car as well. So once again, that number to call is 9907 0555. Berwick Mitsubishi, love that experience.